Greetings and happy summertime picnicking from Cucina Catarina here at CathySheaSchool.com. So, it's time to go outside and play. Let's make it healthy for everybody who's lucky enough to be with you, friends, family, new friends hopefully, as we begin to socialize again and enjoy each other's company out in the great Mother Nature fresh air. What I'd like to share today are some healthy goodies that you can make for your picnic or your luncheon or your dinner party or whatever it is you're doing to entertain, especially for the 4th of July, because this came to me around 4 o'clock this morning. Red raspberries, tapioca pudding that I made from an organic tapioca granule, blueberries, and if you want it sweeter, you can always add a few drops of liquid stevia that I get at Trader Joe's into your tapioca. Now, if the tapioca doesn't appeal to you, although I'm the queen of fiber and it's a prebiotic, you can always use a really nice, easy, rich coconut cream. This particular brand only has 2 ingredients, 70% coconut and a little bit of water. When you put this in a glass jar and put it in your refrigerator, it gets nice and thick. So it's a perfect substitute for whipped cream if you'd prefer to do that in this particular recipe. Now, while we're on the subject of coconut cream, I want to introduce you to my new friend. This is my cordless immersion blender, and you already know I'm the queen of mason jars. You can put a can of this wonderful coconut cream into your mason jar with a half a cup of carob. This is a brand I really like. It's organic, it's clean, it's available online, and a banana. And when you whip it up, you will have a beautiful mock chocolate pudding. This is one of my favorites, especially since I don't do well with chocolate, but carob, once again, prebiotic. What does that mean? It feeds your probiotic microbes. Now, be sure when you pack your picnic, or you're out at the beach, or out at the lake, or playing tennis, golf, or whatever, that you are liberal with nuts and seeds in little baggies. You can mix them up, add a few raisins, and you'll have your own trail mix. It's fresh, it's clean, and you choose organic. You can also make a picnic with salsa and chips. Every chip that I've seen has an inflammatory oil that's probably rancid. So forget the bags of chips. Look for these little corn tortillas. These are great to mash avocado in, roll it up with a little bit of shredded lettuce, cilantro, whatever you like. They make great chips. You put them in your little toaster oven on 400 for about 5 minutes and they'll get crispy. You can brush them with a little bit of olive oil, pinch of salt, a little cayenne if you like a kick. Now you have your own chips. Make your own salsa. Organic canned tomatoes, your favorite peppers, whatever you prefer. Blend it up. This particular one I made with mango and I froze it so you can make it a big batch and have it anytime. And instead of a chip, you can dip in celery, carrots. These are cucumber spears. Super yummy-licious. What about that famous pasta salad that everybody likes for the 4th of July picnic? This is a brown rice pasta with nothing but in it but organic brown rice and water from Trader Joe's. You can cook this al dente, add whatever veggies you like, stir it up with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and you have a wonderful, wonderful pasta salad or a warm pasta meal for your family. It also works well as an addition to a soup if you wanted to make soup. Healthy rice quinoa cracker, spread with goat cheese from Costco. Or maybe you prefer almond butter from Costco. These are great to make little sandwiches, pack them in the kids' little bags, little boxes, off they go. Now, instead of the pasta, you can boost the protein content tremendously in any salad by adding quinoa, organic from Costco. Black beans, organic from Costco. Reach for the pink salmon instead of the tuna. Tuna has the highest concentration of mercury of all the fish in the sea, along with swordfish. This is wild caught, it says so on the can, nothing farmed. Mix it with avocado mayonnaise, chopped celery, whatever you like, and you have a wonderful salad. Now, I just want to give you a word of caution about mayonnaise on picnics. Don't let it sit in the sun. If you're using this in any of your dishes, this should be the first thing that's eaten. Ham hearts are great for boosting flavor, sprinkled on a salad, sprinkled on a cracker. You can put this on anything and it just boosts the protein content. And if you really want to feed your microbiome, buy this at Costco. Big bucket of organic sauerkraut. Add some pickles to this, you're off and running. Have a great summer, everybody. Be safe, and thanks for watching.